So hey guys,
Party wasn't fun?
I just saw this thing. It's called a fidget spinner. Do you know what it's called? Wait 1 second, okay? Okay, wait. Okay.
Juice party wasn't fun? Thank you. Juice party wasn't fun?
Okay, back. We're back. Something called a fidget spinner. So I'll show you what it looks like.
Hey, brother, it's tomorrow.
Who's?
Huh?
Who?
So this is on eBay, I think.
Hmm?
Big Boy Toys, Amazon, like the bit. Yeah, I think that's all I know about. So guys, like I just figured out. My name's Ford and I'm 7.5. So like you do it like this, then you spin them. Some people do it with one finger.
We're trying to
So
do the same
bye.
thing.
See ya.